I filled my trunk with about 10 bags of groceries today. This is the most I've ever bought at once and the most I've ever spent for sure. But we did good because we shopped at Winco and so it's pretty cheap. I will show you what I got and I'll show you how much I spent. Here's my receipt. It's like 1,000,000 miles long and total I spent $320. So, and that's not quite everything because we ate some stuff on the way home. So, but it was like 10 bags. If I were to put the milk in the bags, I got 10 bags and a trunk full of food. So I think that's pretty good. I went and looked at Costco and I just am not motivated. I don't think that it's that much better and we just don't eat, like you're going to see the most processed stuff that I ever buy in this video just because like what's going on the next week. I needed some snacks and some bribery treats. I don't like the word bribery, but that's kind of what it is, like rewards for good behavior and for extra work. So I got 3 gallons of milk. We got 1, in case you're wondering, 2% because that's what WIC covers. The new little guy is on WIC, so he likes 2%. My kids and my husband like whole. For our Sabbath meal, we always have juice or a soda, but that's pretty much the only time we drink juice or soda, special occasions. I needed garbage bags, Ziploc bags. I make my own laundry soap. I struggle with allergies, and I just had to eliminate all the unnatural scents and things, so I use that. Sometimes I use Zote soap for a little bit of smell. That doesn't seem to bother me, especially if I let it dry out a little bit before I mix it in. Classic Johnny's. We got a lot of staples and stocked up. I'm trying to only go to the store once a month. It probably won't happen this month, but I'm trying. Got 2. Usually I buy the 5 dozen flats, but my daughter said that this was cheaper and we didn't need 5 dozen. So, okay. She's learning how to shop and compare prices. So I let her make some executive decisions today. We stocked up on these. These are on a really good sale. I think these are like $2 a piece. So I grabbed a bunch. I don't normally buy a lot of that, but it was a good price. This time of year, baking stuff's cheap. I think I thought I got a couple of these. I don't know if the other guy went. This is our Sunday treat. We have a lot of fish, so I'm going to make curly fries with fish. Always buy cheese. We do a lot of burritos, because the food bank we eat a lot of rice and beans. And it's just that much better if you have a little bit of cheese to sprinkle on. So 2 things of curly fries. And steak fries. I didn't add those. Those snuck in. I think the kids like those. I don't think they're expensive. I think these are like $2 for a bag. And that's enough for our family. Not enough to satisfy everyone, but it's enough. And then these are for smoothies. Got 2 bags. And then this was only like $6. I try not to buy a whole lot of lunch meat, but that looked really good. And we just have a busy couple of weeks before our trip. So we got quite a bit more snacky stuff or quick fix meal stuff than I normally buy. I try to cook from scratch. They love this granola. It's the raspberry blueberry mix. Super good in the bulk section at Winco. Highly recommend. Golden Delicious apples. We got a bunch of those. These are on sale. I don't know if you've ever had these. Hey, buddy, can you rip that open? I want to show them those mangoes.
Okay, then.
All right, I got kale because I'm about to start eating again. I'm super excited. So if you massage kale, which sounds ridiculous, or run it through the blender, not the blender, what is it, the mixer? It takes the kaliness out of the kale. So if you just put it in your like KitchenAid mixer with like the attachment you would use for mashed potatoes and just kind of beat the dickens out of them a little bit, it actually changes the flavor, which is really weird. So which ones are these? Of course, I can't pronounce that. I can't even. I'm not going to try. These are amazing. They're really soft. They're amazing little mangoes. They were 99 cents, which is kind of a splurge for us, but we don't get mangoes very often. We've got some cucumbers, and my daughter ate half on the way home. She wanted that instead of hot deli. She ate a cucumber, or half of a cucumber. Those are for my salads. I got these. I love the spring mix. That's kind of a splurge too. But I want to eat really high quality greens when I come off my fast. I'm just going to do meat and greens with probably a vinaigrette dressing of some kind. You're being loud, bud. Bagels, because I have cream cheese. Bananas. We got butter. Butter's one of those things that it's a luxury item, but I love to have it. We got pomegranates. They were on sale. Those are kind of a treat. Those are 99 cents. The little foster baby loves these guys, and pickles. So we got him mandarin oranges and pickles for his lunches when he goes to see his mom. Texas toast for French toast. I'm probably going to put that in the fridge for when I need a quick breakfast. Cumin. I was low on cumin. And this is chocolate. I might film this. My boys always wanted to buy the bulk chocolate. They have baker's chocolate, but they also have milk chocolate, and that's what this is. And we're going to try to make our own almond joy, like healthy almond joys, because we get shredded coconut from the food bank and almonds. So I think what we're going to do is melt that down and make some kind of like bonbon or something. I didn't put this in the cart either. What is going on? My oldest boy loves tomato soup, but he only likes Campbell's. He's very picky about that. Oh, these are for my intermittent fasting when I start eating again. I still know that I will need more electrolytes, so I got that. And these are lemon heads. They're out of the bulk section too, and my husband uses those to help with memory. He read that if you can associate like memorization, you're doing memorization, that to do like something that smells, like has like a smell and taste, and it helps you lock those memories. These are baby M&Ms, and they are potty treats for the 2-year-old because he's potty training. We've got sour cream because we do lots of burrito bowls. So we go through, that's a lot of sour cream. It's way cheaper to buy it that way. So you don't need Costco. Costco's overrated. You don't have to pay. All you got to do is bag your own stuff at Winco, and you can only use debit, but the prices you cannot beat. This was like half the price of Folgers. And it's great. My husband only drinks decaf. He says he's off the sauce, which I don't think that's the same sauce people are talking about. This is date night baked potato mix. The kids think that is just sacrilege to do freeze-dried mashed potatoes, but I love it. I think it's good. Smoothie mix for smoothies. Trying to keep vitamin C in these kids. Stocking up on gravy. And brown gravy. We love sourdough, but I think my husband is going to start making it. I just started a starter, so that'll be ready in about a week. I have 2 flats. This is actually pretty good. I want to say it was like, oh yeah, it was $2.28 a pound for chicken breasts. That's pretty good. So I got 2. We've gotten pretty much lamb, fish, and pork chops from the food bank. So I'm going to mix it up. That is a snack. It's an emergency snack. This is an I don't like buying processed food. I really don't like doing it, but there are days when stuff happens in our line of work. When you're pastor and pastor's wife, you get calls, and sometimes the kids are on their own. So that is like, you're on your own, heat that up, and that's dinner. We got some guacamole. Can't afford to make that much guacamole. Pepper jack cheese. This was a WIC food item. More butter. Chick-fil-A sauce, because I will probably make homemade chicken nuggets out of these. I should do a video on that. I think mine tastes like Chick-fil-A. When I had their chicken nuggets, I was like, they ripped off my recipe. They're pretty good. LaCroix, this is to help with the fasting and intermittent fasting. I love these. We got Cheez-Its. That's for our Sabbath. And then I'm going to be making green enchiladas. The kids like pinto beans and chicken in their green enchiladas. And then I like red sauce with, let's see, we do chicken, and beans and cheese and the green sauce with flour tortillas. And then for corn tortillas, I do the red sauce. And these are both mild because we have children. This is for Sabbath because I don't cook on Sabbath, so the kids get a little bit of a treat. This is for tonight because it's date night. And the kids are going to eat pizza, and we're going to have pork loin and mashed potatoes. I got this for Thanksgiving. I'm on the hook for pumpkin pies and mashed potatoes. So I've got the potatoes here. We've got our gravy for our family Thanksgiving. Let's see. Bread for peanut butter and jelly. I need to start baking, but this week is just too busy. And then here we go. Cake mixes. These were 99 cents, and they had frosting for 99 cents. Was it last week or 2 weeks ago? But they're up, they're $1.38, and then the frosting was not on sale. But I bought these. I have lots of powdered sugar from the food bank, and so I'm thinking of I do bake sale fundraisers, and our last one we made $300 in one day. So I'm thinking about doing cupcakes because my friend gave me cupcake boxes. Actually, they're right here. She just gave me a whole thing of cupcake boxes, and then there's little inserts to hold the cupcakes. So I think we're going to do cupcakes and sticky buns. But those sticky buns, they make money. I'll tell you what. So that is what I got. That's what $320 bought. Can't remember. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. We love Winco. I highly recommend it. But do remember if you go that you have to bag your own stuff. They don't bag everything for you, and you can't use credit cards. It's debit or cash only, or Winco gift certificates. So yeah, highly recommend you check it out.